Good morning, everyone. Welcome to radiosilentplay.com. I am your moderator for today on July 30th, 2015. Let me start off by saying I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own due diligence. So we're going to go over what's going on in the markets. I'm going to start off with the big boards. We actually did a Sunday meeting and we posted this chart. This was just a good setup. We talked about how the market was still in that uptrend, and I pinpointed support levels and I told traders to watch these levels. If you come over here, I'm just going to show you guys something real quick. If you come over here, I just want to show you guys for you guys that don't trust, or to show that the proof is in the pudding. We sent this out, or we did a webinar, and we talked about this this entry here. This was July 28th, 2015. Okay, we were talking about how this support, we were looking at this 203, 204 range, and then we were looking at this 206.50 level, okay, for a kiss. If you come here and you notice, we actually tested that 206.80 level, okay, and then that's where that bounce started. So right now, as we speak, we're gonna, we're seeing a move. Okay, watch that close above this 210.10 level. If it does, would not be surprised to retest this 212 level. What you're seeing here, okay, is you're still seeing an uptrend. Okay, every time it kisses that level, it pulls back. Okay, but at the same time, we're posting higher highs. Okay, now you're kind of seeing a little bit of a lower high. All right, so this is what I want traders to kind of look at. And then what I want traders to kind of see is for this break potential here at that 212.50 level. If you close above 212.50 on 2 consecutive closes, I do expect a new high. So I want traders to kind of look at this 212.50 level. That's the level that you want to kind of close above that level on 2 consecutive closes. Okay, now moving on to the next trade was X. Okay, so this was a stock that triggered at 17.59. Okay, you can never see this pinpoint, or you can never kind of, just hit it right exactly where you want to hit it. Okay, what I was looking at is this cluster here as support. Okay, it did kind of kiss that level. We saw a low of 1570, and then the stock ended up bouncing off these levels. Okay, hitting a beautiful close at near high of the day at 2018. Okay, this we got it started at 40 cents, pulled back to as low as 20 cents, and yesterday hit a high of $1. Okay, so this was just a beautiful move. We are holding some still. I do believe that this thing has a potential to hit 22. So I want traders to kind of keep an eye on the X. Okay, any pull back down to that 17, 18 level will be a rebuy opportunity. Okay, so I want traders to keep an eye on that. Nothing goes in a linear motion. Okay, the USO. Looking at the USO, watch this 15. Okay, we were talking about that 15 kiss. Okay, this thing hit a low of 1580. Okay, and it initiated calls. We added at $1.10. I think they pulled back to as low as $1, I think, in 5 cents. Okay, now we're seeing this beautiful reversal, and what we're looking for is that 2-day close above that 1623. Okay, that's that 8-day moving average. We got it at 1624. So watch the continuation. Okay, my target here is this gap fill here at 1850. Okay, so you're seeing a nice bounce here on oil. FCX was another one. Okay, we were thinking about these support levels. Okay, the 1570 levels broke. Okay, so then what did we do? We went on a pullback. We were talking about that 1112 kiss, and what did we get here? Okay, we got a low of close here at 1116. Okay, we took some calls. Our target now 1314. Okay, if you look here, going on the weekly chart, I went all the way back and I looked at these support levels. Okay, and they were broken, so that becomes new resistance. But I do think that we'll see this 15 level here on the FCX. So just a beautiful trade on the FCX thus far. Now moving on to the OTCs. Okay, many traders don't ever think that this can be done, but this was a 10 bagger. Okay, this was a stock that kind of traded and kissed these 15 to 25 levels. This was the buy zone. We were talking about that cup and handle, and now the stock hit a high of 0.014. Okay, gave an opportunity to add as low as 10 levels, 11 levels. Okay, and now the stock is trading as a 10 bagger, and now holding this beautiful consolidation pattern here. Okay, this is a bullish flag setup. It's still holding these levels, and it hasn't broken below it. Now what we're looking for is two confirmation closes above that 0.012 level. If it does, okay, you could see a move higher to that 0.02, 0.025 level. Okay, now moving on to the next stock is SIMH. This was a stock that actually triggered yesterday in a high volume. Okay, kissed a new low at 10. Okay, and then the stock ended up rallying, hitting 0.0017. This is a stock that, if you notice here, back in March and April, was trading 0.009 to 0.015 level for a long time. Okay, so what you guys want to look at is price pattern and time. Now what you're seeing is a reversal here. Okay, all you guys have to do is place your stop close below that 12 level and 2 consecutive closes. But buying range here is in the buy zones. Okay, just place your stop right below these levels. Okay, that's where I would place my stop at. Okay, on 2 consecutive closes. But overall, you're seeing a nice cluster and a huge volume bar here today. Okay, yesterday we had a huge volume. Okay, this is a big green volume candle here today. Okay, the VCTL, this was a stock that was sent out initially at 26 levels. Okay, it ended up hitting a high of 50 here, then pulled back on some panic on filings that they sold their assets. Now what you're seeing is a pullback all the way down to 10. Okay, but if you go 50% retrace from that 52-week low, okay, that was 13 levels. So traders that placed their bids at 13, now the stock is trading at a high of 24, closed at 21. So this was just a good trade here on the VCTL. Okay, so watch for any reversal or confirmation close above this 8-day moving average. The 8-day moving average is 21, so you want to see 2 closes to confirm above that level. Okay, the next stock, BLDW. Okay, this was a stock that we sent out back when it was at 0.001, hit a high of here at 0.0025. Since then, okay, this stock had never closed below this level here at 14. Okay, but then it did close below 14. What do we say about closing below 14, which was its previous 52-week low? 50% retrace level. Okay, if you notice here, we hit a low of 0007. Okay, that was sent out in our room, and then the stock today, or actually yesterday, closed at a high of 21. So what we're looking for is some confirmation here. Okay, but this is a stock that was oversold, and now if you notice here, it's coming off oversold conditions. So you want to kind of keep an eye on the QLTS. Next stock is ticker symbol QLTS. This was in a wedge pattern here. Okay, this took quite some time here. Okay, never really broke below that 0.002 level. Okay, that was that buy zone. Every time it came down to 0.002, that was a buy. And now if you notice here, we're hitting that high of 0.0105. Closed at 0.01. Okay, so just watch for any pullback here. What you can do is just grab your retrace levels. Okay, watch that 0.0057, 0.006 level for a retrace. Okay, you got your support here for a pullback. So if this stock kind of pulls back, that's the level that you kind of want to see this thing bounce at. Okay, and that's that level here. Okay, so watch that 0.004 to 0.005 re-entry level here on the QLTS if it pulls back. Okay, so great job, everyone. Okay, if you have any questions, just email me at radiosilentplay@gmail.com. Okay, we are not a stock picking alert service. Okay, we just trade levels. We trade small caps, OTCs, and options. Okay, if you have any questions, my number is found on the website, and you guys can give me a call at any time. Take care, everyone.